Hello friend, in this video we learn about Excel powerful feature FlashFill. Uh, Most of time if we have to combine data or generate the email using the first name and last name, it will be the difficult part. But using the FlashFill, it will be very easy and very useful feature. Let's say I have the first name and last name, and if I have to generate the profile icon, means we are getting the first letter of first name and the first letter of last name, so is B. Now if I press the Ctrl E, it is a flash fill. So flash fill option automatically update 1000 cell with this pattern. The pattern is first letter of first name and the first letter of last name. If the profile icon would be in a lower case, then if I am changing to S and B and then press enter, so the flash fill automatically reflect all changes to the below cell. And here we have the first name and last name. So if we have to combine the two name, let's say and if I press Ctrl E, then it will combine both the first name and last name. And here I just combine with the space. Let's say if I am changing this to first, I am adding the last name, and then it will automatically arrange the patterns. And most of the company they will generate their own email based on first name. So let me try with this. For the email, I am writing down in small case. So at the rate my company dot com, and if I press Ctrl E, then it will automatically generate all these emails. So when we have this type of work, like based on some column or some value, we have to generate the record. This will be a very useful and powerful features for Excel. We can use using flash fill, and shortcut for the flash fill be Ctrl E.